Born from disaster, I created the universe's greatest contingency plan. The Great Clock. Designed to repair time itself. There are those who want it for evil. Some hope to find truth. And others seek redemption. It is a gift that must be protected at all costs.
Whoa.
I know. So much for clean underwear.
Strap in for a new adventure starring Ratchet, Clank, Azimuth, Dr. Nefarious, and Mr. Copernicus Quark.
It's Captain Quark. I didn't take a 3-week hero correspondence course to be called Mr.
Ratchet and Clank Future, a crack in time.
I feel very close to you right now.
PlayStation